Tone and sculpt your lower body with ease using the right fitness equipment. The best exercise machine for thighs and hips targets key muscle groups, helping you achieve firmer legs and stronger hips from the comfort of your home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Rigel Exercise Machine Thighs and Hips. The Rigel Exercise Machine Thighs and Hips is a well-engineered piece of home fitness equipment that focuses on toning and strengthening the glutes, hips, and outer thighs. Designed specifically for hip abduction, this compact machine is ideal for those seeking a targeted lower body workout without the need for a large gym setup. One of its key features is the 2-level adjustable resistance, allowing users of different strength levels to progress over time. This makes it great for beginners starting their fitness journey, as well as more advanced users looking for continued challenge. Built with a strong steel frame, the machine is solid and stable during use, while its leather upholstery offers both comfort and easy maintenance. A standout addition is the included 35-pound booty resistance bands that add another layer of intensity and variety to your workout. The total resistance can go up to 100 pounds, giving you plenty of room to grow. The Rigel glute machine is particularly geared toward women focused on booty and thigh development, and its ergonomic design ensures minimal friction and optimal muscle targeting. It's also a practical choice for small home gyms due to its compact footprint. If you're serious about toning your lower body and want noticeable results, the Rigel exercise machine offers great value. It not only provides the structural quality and functional resistance you'd expect in larger gym machines, but it also tailors well to home users seeking reliable performance.
Number 2 is the Sunny Exercise Machine Thighs and Hips. The Sunny Exercise Machine Thighs and Hips stands out as a powerful and user-friendly treadmill that offers more than just lower body toning. It provides a comprehensive cardio experience with integrated features aimed at serious fitness enthusiasts. While it's not a traditional hip abduction or leg extension machine, it contributes greatly to hip and thigh strengthening through walking, jogging, and running. Equipped with a 20-inch wide running surface, it ensures freedom of movement and enhanced stability for users of various sizes. The 2.5 HP brushless motor delivers smooth, consistent power, accommodating speeds up to 10 miles per hour. Whether you're taking a light jog or pushing for a full run, this machine ensures a quiet and efficient session. It's also fully assembled right out of the box, making setup a breeze. Just unfold and start your workout. The foldable design makes storage simple and ideal for small home spaces. For those looking to stay connected and motivated, the free SunnyFit app unlocks access to thousands of trainer-led sessions and virtual scenic runs, enhancing the treadmill experience. Real-time heart rate monitoring is supported via built-in pulse sensors and optional compatibility with the HR200 monitor. Additionally, the 15 auto incline levels let you simulate hill training or intensify your stride to better target glutes and thighs. This treadmill isn't just sturdy, it's built with a heavy-duty frame supporting up to 300 pounds and features a shock absorption system to reduce joint impact. These features make it suitable for those recovering from injuries or looking for a more joint-friendly cardio machine.
Number 3. GMWD Exercise Machine Thighs and Hips. The GMWD LE02 exercise machine is a powerful, multifunctional machine tailored for serious lower body training, combining the functionality of a leg extension, leg curl, and glute bridge station. This equipment offers one of the most comprehensive ways to strengthen your thighs, hamstrings, and glutes at home. What sets it apart immediately is the clever removable pin mechanism, which lets you quickly switch between exercise modes. It not only enhances workout flow, but also includes a built-in safety limiter to prevent injuries from momentum-based overswing, an excellent detail for those training at high intensities. The LE02 is highly customizable, featuring over 28 leg position options, 8 backrest adjustments, 4 seat settings, and 8 leg hold-down placements. This level of adjustability ensures a perfect fit for all body sizes and types, allowing for more precise and effective targeting of muscles. The premium padding enhances user comfort with thick cushions that reduce pressure points and a sweat-resistant fabric covering that's built for durability.
Another benefit of this machine is its suitability for recovery and rehabilitation. The precise movement paths and supportive design allow users to strengthen the patellar ligament and quadriceps safely, which is ideal for post-injury recovery. It's particularly effective for people wanting to focus on muscle repair while continuing to train.
Number 4. ZHICHI exercise machine for thighs and hips. The ZHICHI exercise machine for thighs and hips is a robust, well-designed home gym solution tailored to lower body strengthening. This dual-function machine offers both leg extensions and lying leg curls, making it a versatile option for those looking to train the front and back of their thighs. Constructed with 50 by 50 millimeter carbon steel and 1.4 millimeter thick piping, the frame is impressively sturdy, boasting a maximum weight capacity of 660 pounds, far beyond standard home use machines. That kind of support ensures stability and peace of mind during intense training. A unique feature is the seat height adjustability, which fine-tunes the lying curl position for comfort and effectiveness. Combined with 3 backrest pad positions and 2 seat cushion angles, this machine easily adapts to your body type and training goals. Whether you're focusing on quadriceps, hamstrings, or calves, you can expect a secure and ergonomic experience. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. ZHICHI uses 6 thick foam rollers and full leather wrap cushions that give a sofa-like feel. This adds a premium touch to the user experience, minimizing muscle fatigue during longer sessions. The padding is high density and sweat resistant, enhancing both hygiene and long-term durability. Though the machine does not include weight plates, it's compatible with both 1-inch and 2-inch standard plates and includes integrated plate storage for convenience. This allows you to fully customize the resistance to match your strength level.
Number 5. Rigel Leg Exercise Machine, Thighs and Hips. The Rigel Leg Exercise Machine for thighs and hips is a highly specialized leg stretcher that brings flexibility training and muscle lengthening into the spotlight. This device is ideal for users of all ages and fitness levels, whether you're a martial artist, dancer, or simply someone looking to improve mobility. Built with reinforced rust-proof steel, the machine feels durable and well-constructed right out of the box. It arrives 95% pre-assembled, so setup is a breeze. Just install the backrest and rotating hand wheel, and you're ready to stretch. What sets this model apart is its ability to stretch up to 200 degrees, giving users a wide range of motion to work with. The PP rotating hand wheel lets you incrementally increase stretch tension without jerky movements, allowing for a safe and controlled experience. You can even read a book or use your smartphone while training, which helps make longer stretching sessions more tolerable and productive. The plush PU leather cushion is breathable and soft, making you feel as though you're reclining on a cloud while stretching. Smooth rolling universal wheels protect your floors and make repositioning easy. Despite its compact size, the Rigel leg stretcher supports up to 330 pounds, ensuring it can accommodate most users with ease. It's also incredibly space efficient, storing neatly in tight areas when not in use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.